How to change background in Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the whole theme. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see this color like icon. Simply tap on it. So basically this is the place where you can change the tiles and background. Here there are different options that are available. Here on the top, simply tap on background, and here you can see different options that are available. Now you can simply tap on the one that you want to change into, and here on the bottom tap on confirm. So it will take some time. Now if you enter the level, as you can see, the whole background is completely changed to what you just fixed. So it's up to the user preference and the color they want to play into, and it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.